Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change slides aesthetic themes. First, you have to go to your Google Slides. So before anything else, you can just edit your font, the colors, and everything. You just have to tap these options above. You can even add text box or other shapes, so you just have to tap any of this here. But since our tutorial is all about how to change Google Slides aesthetic themes, so I'm going to show you how to change themes now. So let's just skip to this. Now, in order to change or to look for the options like your background, your themes, your layout, all you have to do is to tap any of this area. Then you can see the options like background, layout, theme, and transition. So you just have to tap this theme. So if you want to change your theme, I'm going to introduce to you a site where you can download templates that you can open in PowerPoint, also in Google Slides. So you just have to open a new tab here and go to Slides Carnival. So pick any of a template here or aesthetic template here. And then once you found a template for you for your presentation, make sure that you can see options like this: Canva, PowerPoint, and Google Slides. So, of course, I think or you think that you should download this Google Slides, but no, you have to pick or select this PowerPoint. I'm going to tell you why later. Okay, so if you're going to open that, this is what it looks like. So this is the presentation we want in our Google Slide. So what are we going to do now to add or to change Google Slides static themes? You just have to go back to your Google Slides and click this import theme. And then after that, you have to browse, click the template that you downloaded earlier. Okay, this one. Wait as it is processing. Once done, go to File, open the file, and choose the template that you want to add to your Google Slide. So as you can see, from an ordinary theme to an aesthetic theme. So that's how easy it is to change Google Slides aesthetic themes. Now, the reason why you shouldn't choose this Google Slides is because if you click this one, it will take you to this. So better click the PowerPoint template to make everything easier. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.